Hey, I'm Sebastian.
I'm Tim, and this is our science fair.
It's a science fair project from the Google Science Fair online.
Our project is basically breaking wine glasses with the resonant frequency. Each glass has its own distinct frequency, and we tried to find that.
So basically what we did is take one of these wine glasses, just any, if you find at home or you can buy some. So then you put some water in it. Usually it's better, it has a different frequency when you have water in it. So basically what we do is just take the water and then start rotating against the tip of the cup. And that will make a vibration, that will make a sound. And we can record it in this program called Audacity. And then, here, if you want to take a close look into the computer. So basically, if you press the button right here, which is recording, then you have to be really quiet so you can hear the frequency. So then, if you stop right there, and then you can analyze it. By analyzing it, you can go to plot spectrum, and then I'll show you how to zoom out. And then, if you take a look here, this peak right here tells you that says 749 Hertz, and we had 750, which is pretty accurate. And then we close this, and then generate the sound. You can see here. So then, if you play it, you can see here how this is pretty similar to the, and that's how we basically try to break the glass. Yeah, better.
Okay, so after we got the resonant frequency of this glass, we tried to just use that with this amp, and using the straw, it could tell how it vibrated. But that didn't work, so we tried using this cardboard. We cut a hole in the middle so it would concentrate the sound and make it vibrate even more. We also tried using this cone to do that too. We tried different glasses. Then we tried using different harmonics. Every glass has different vibrations, and we could use all of those to break the glass.
So here you saw it, how it started vibrating really much, but one of the facts that didn't work, well, we got the amp right, but there was the cardboard. We figured out that it was too thin, so the sound barriers were hitting this and they were going out. So we had to like project one point and cover this part up, usually with a thicker layer of cardboard or any type of like paper or cardboard that can make it like only project one sound. So here we go. So you saw it how, depending on the different resonant frequency, it can affect the glass. If we put the frequency that we put in this one, in this glass, then it wouldn't break. Because you got to project the same sound, recording by the computer, into the amp. Basically what we learned was that we didn't need to break it in order to learn more about science. Like, because of our teacher, he taught us mostly about how the vibration of these glasses had to be. And we found it really interesting how everything works. And also based on the fact that we didn't break the glass, but we learned about how the sound has to project more directly into the cup.
Okay, so we're going to try a little experiment right now. We pretty much electric taped the glass to the ground, and we're going to try to see if that breaks it, because we're always going to try to see if we could break it. We tried a lot of different stuff. We're going to try, different things.
Later on with the cone.
Later on. But basically what it is, and why this is working, is because of resonance. And it's basically sound waves. And everything in the world has sound and its own waves. And when the same sound meets it, they basically overlap and become stronger. And this makes it vibrate a lot. So what we're trying to do is hit that note in order to make this just blow up.
Mostly, yeah.
So we're going to try it?
Yeah, and the tip, besides, never give up.
Yep.
Alright, so we're going to try it for like 15 seconds. See how it goes. Can you see like a close look? So we're going to start right now.
See, it vibrates a lot, but
Not
enough. Okay, so we came to the conclusion that this project didn't work because we didn't have the right equipment, and that some of the stuff that we were doing, we couldn't find the right frequencies for some glass, and it wasn't strong enough.
And basically, like, we tried with other equipment, like smaller speakers, but we had 2 computers, so we downloaded the app, or the program, into 2 computers. So we had 4 speakers, and we had them around the glass. But we figured out that it didn't work, that the sound was stronger in the amp after we tried it in a closed room. And then, basically what we're trying to say that no scientist ever gets in the first try, right? So, yeah. So we're going to keep on trying. So, you want to test it again?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's do it.